Hello friends, today we start a chapter 1 rational number for class 8. Please see here. Today we learn a property of rational number. Already in first video we study closure property and in second video to study the property of commutative law. Please see here. For addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, addition of rational number for commutative law, a plus b is equal to b plus a, it is commutative. But in subtraction and division it is not possible. So addition and multiplication commutative property is possible. For example, suppose a is equal to 2 by 3 and b is equal to negative 5 by 7. First find a plus b and then find b plus a. A plus b is equal to a, that means 2 by 3, b that means negative 5 by 7. Therefore a 2 by 3 plus minus minus 5 by 7. Here denominator are different. Take LCM, otherwise cross multiplication. 7 to the 14 minus 3 by 15 divided by 7 to the 21. Then answer is minus 1 by 21. Okay. Here we find a plus b. Then find right hand side b plus a. Minus 5 by 7 plus 2 by 3. Again take LCM is cross multiplication. 5 to the 15. Negative 15, 7 to the 14, positive 14, negative 15 plus 14 divided by 21, that is minus 1 by 21. Therefore, a plus b and b plus a, answer is both are equal. Therefore, a plus b is equal to b plus a. Similarly, find subtraction, a minus b. A that means 2 by 3 minus b that means negative 5 by 7. 2 by 3 minus minus plus 5 by 7. 7 to the 14, 3 by the 15. 14 plus 15 divided by 21, it is 29 by 25. But b minus a is minus 5 by 7 minus 2 by 3. Cross multiplication, 5 to the 15 negative 15, 7 to the 14 negative 14. Minus 15 minus 14 by 21, that is negative 29 by 21. Both are different. A minus b, that means 29 by 21. B minus a, that is negative 29 by 21. Therefore a minus b is not equal to b minus a. Third, for multiplication, a multiply b, 2 by 3 multiply minus 5 by 7, multiplication of numerator and multiplication of denominator, minus 10 by 21. Similarly, b multiply minus 5 by 7 multiply 2 by 3, same to same, minus 10, 5 to the minus 10 by 21, minus 10 by 21. Both results are equal. A multiply b is equal to b multiply. Both results are equal, therefore a multiply b is equal to b multiply a. Okay. Next, fourth one, a division b is equal to a, that means 2 by 3 divided negative 5 by 7. 2 by 3 as it is, divide minus 5 by 7 means reciprocal of minus 5 by 7, that means 7 by minus 5. Therefore reciprocal of division is equal to multiplication. 2 by 3 डिवीजन का मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर दिया तो 7 डिवाइड बाय माइनस 5, दैट मींस 7 to the 14, 5 to the 15, नेगेटिव साइन ऑलवेज इन न्यूमरेटर फॉर्म, दैट इज नेगेटिव 14 by 15. Similarly, b divided by a, b that means negative 5 by 7 divided by 2 by 3, negative 5 by 7 as it is, reciprocal of 2 by 7, it is multiplication of 3 by 2. 2 by 3 का reciprocal 3 by 2 और डिवीजन का क्या हो जाएगा मल्टीप्लिकेशन. It is minus 15 divided by 14, that is minus 15 by 14. Both results are unequal, not same. Therefore, a division b is not equal to b division a. तो यहाँ से हमने देख लिया मल्टीप्लिकेशन और एडिशन के लिए एसोसिएटेड कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी ट्रू है. Therefore, commutative property is true only for multiplication and addition. Third law, associative law. Okay. Associative law also is true for addition and multiplication. Addition, a plus b group बनाया plus c, that is equal to a plus b plus c. Similarly, a minus b minus c is not equal to a minus b minus c. Multiplication, a multiply b group है, multiply c is equal to a multiply b plus b multiply c. Last division, a division b division c is not equal to a division b division c. So associative property is true for addition and multiplication, but it is not true for subtraction and division. For example, a is equal to 3 by 2, b is equal to 4 by 5, c is equal to negative 2 by 7. Okay, so first condition लेफ्ट हैंड साइड a plus b plus c. पहले हमें a plus b का सिंप्लीफिकेशन करना है. a means 3 by 2 plus 5 by 4 plus minus 2 by 7. Both denominator are different. Take LCM. Cross multiply 5 3 is 15, 4 2 is 8, divided by 5 2 is 10, plus minus minus 2 by 7. That is 23 by 10. Again we cross multiplication. 7 23, 7 is 161, 10 2 is 20, divided by 7 10 is 70. 161 minus 20, 141 divided by 70. That is a solution of left hand side. Similarly, right hand side, a plus b plus c. A as it is 3 by 2 plus b plus c. B that means 4 by 5 plus c that means minus 2 by 7. So 3 by 2 as it is plus 4 by 5 plus minus minus 2 by 7. Take LCM, otherwise cross multiplication. 7 4 is 28 minus 5 2 is 10 divided by 7 5 is 35. That means 3 by 2 plus 8, 28 minus 10, that is 18 by 35. Again cross multiplication. 35 3 is 105. 18 2 is 1, 18 2 is 36, 105 plus 36 divided by 35 is 70, 141 by 70. Both answers are equal. Therefore, a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. Therefore, associative property is true for addition and multiplication. Another second one, subtraction. A minus b minus c. A that means 3 by 2 minus 4 by 5 minus c that means negative 2 by 7. Already we put this value. Therefore, cross multiplication 5 is 15 minus 4 2 is 8 divided by 4 to 5 is 10 minus minus plus 2 by 7. That is 15 minus 8 is 7 by 10 plus 2 by 7. Again cross multiplication. 7 7 is 49, 10 2 is 20 divided by 10 7 is 70. That is equal to 69 by 70. So that is the solution of left hand side, and right hand side is a minus into bracket b minus c. A minus a that means 3 by 2 minus b that means 4 by 5 minus minus 2 by 7. So 3 by 2 minus 4 by 5 minus minus plus 2 by 7. That is equal to 3 by 2 minus 7 4 is 28, 5 2 is 10 divided by 7 5 is 35. 3 by 2 minus 38 by 35. 35 is 105, 38 is 76 divided by 70. Its subtraction is 29. 29 by 70. Here both solutions are different. Therefore, a minus b minus c is not equal to a minus b minus c. And last one and third one is multiplication. Left hand side a multiply b multiply c. 3 by 2 multiply 4 by 5 multiply minus 2 by 7. तो therefore multiplication of numerator and denominator. इसमें multiplication में LCM नहीं आएगा, addition subtraction में LCM आएगा. 3 4 is 12, divide 5 2 is 10, multiply minus 2 by 7. That is minus 12 is minus 24 divided by 70. That is minus 12 by 35. Simplest form is minus 12 by 35. A multiply b multiply c. A as it is multiply 4 by 5 multiply minus 2 by 7. 4 2 is 3 by 2 as it is minus 8 divided by 35. 3 into minus 8 minus 24 divided by 70. It is minus 12 by 35. Both results are equal. Therefore, associative property is true for multiplication. And last one, division. A divide b divide c. A that means 3 by 2 divide 4 by 5 divide minus 2 by 7. That is equal to 3 by 2 division. Reciprocal of 4 by 5 that is multiplication 5 by 4 divide minus 2 by 7. 3 by 2 multiply 5 by 4 that is equal to 15 by 8. 15 by 8 division का multiplication करेंगे minus 2 by 7 reciprocal is minus 7 by 2 minus 105 divided by 8 to the 60. Then right hand side solution a divide b divide c. A divide as it is 3 by 2 divide 4 by 5 divide minus 2 by 7. 3 by 2 divide 4 by 5. A reciprocal of minus 2 by 7 that is multiply minus 7 by 2. 3 by 2 divide minus 28 divided by 10. That is 3 by 2 minus 28 by 10. That is equal to reciprocal of minus 28 by 10. That is minus 10 by 28. That is minus 30 by 56. is minus 15 bar 28. Both results are unequal, therefore division property is not true. Okay. Thank you.